Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Grinch makeup to me doesn't necessarily have to mean you look like the character Grinch. For me, it can be taking inspiration from the colors, from the shapes, from the feeling that it gives. And with that in mind, I created this makeup look, so let's get into it. The only thing I've done with my makeup so far is do my base the way I do my everyday makeup, and I have a tutorial on that. I will try to link it up here if I remember. And another thing is that I did switch out the blush with something pink. It's not that much left, but I have this hot pink going on. You can do frosty pink, hot pink. You want that slight cold effect, so pink is what you want to go for. So I have two eyeshadow palettes here with me today, and I am starting with the first one, which is the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve. And I want to go ahead and use this medium green right here. You can use whatever medium green you have and work with that. So what I want to do with this, I want to create a cut crease. So essentially I want the green to go here, fade out, don't bring it too far down, fade out, and then wing it down in again to the lower lashes and fill in maybe halfway, maybe a little bit more. I have to see how I feel about that, but keep it in the crease and above, which is why I'm going to be using a fluffy brush like so and a flat brush like so, switching between the two. This might seem a little too dramatic, but bear with me. The next thing that I will do is go ahead and use a concealer to create the cut crease, and as such I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match in the shade 1RC Ivory Rose that looks like this, and I'm using a very light one compared to me just because I have a lighter green going on and I want that to have the best start. So what I'm gonna do is take a flat brush that has a firmness to it, so essentially, I don't know, like this, and dip it in and draw. So you want to bring this all the way up into the line where you want it. So for me, it's where the eyeball ends. Then I'm taking my setting powder and I'm taking the W7 Puff Perfection in the shade 05 Translucent. That looks like this. And I'm taking a flat brush, just a clean flat brush, and dabbing it on. And then I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. I'm taking another concealer shade just because I want to clean up the upper part and create a really nice shape. So I'm just taking a shade darker. This is the same brand, the L'Oreal Paris True Match in the shade 2RC Rose Vanilla. Now I have cleaned it up, and this is obviously, for some people this is the easiest way to do this. For other people this is like, why didn't you just make this line to begin with? I like to switch it up every once in a while. That way everybody gets to see a different way of doing a cut crease. Especially if you are prone to making messes, you can clean it up with an eyeliner. Then the next color that I want to go in with is the NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright eyeshadow, and I'm going in with this green right here and then topping it with this glittery green right here. So for the glittery part, I think I will use my finger. I might use a flat brush, but I think you can tell the difference between a black flat brush and a finger. And for this, I just want to use a flat brush to apply this. That way I can make sure it stays within the line. Then I'm just going to take my Essence Eyeblender brush and just go very gently underneath the eye, just so that it's not a harsh line, but I don't want it to fade either. I was thinking whether or not I should do an eyeliner, and I think I don't want to do it for this look because that will make this lower green line disappear, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to keep it as is, but I am doing false lashes, okay? But first, before we kind of go there, we need to do the mascara, and before we do the mascara, we need to do curl our lashes. And then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm applying this only to my upper lashes. Before I put my false lashes on, I want to take a eyeliner pencil, and this one has no brand name, nothing, just the eyeliner pencil, and it's a little bit sharp still, so it might poke me in the eye accidentally. But where I want to place this in the outer half of my upper waterline. What this does is make your eyelashes look fuller than they actually are. So it's a great way to make it look like you have false lashes on, like a very subtle false lash on, without actually having a false lash on. But I will be putting false lashes on, and I feel like I've said that so many times over now. False lashes, false lashes. I am taking the SoSu 7 Deadly Sins in the shade Envy. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I am doing a little bit of Grinch and a little bit of Whoville, okay? That's the name of the city, right? I'm not mixing movies. But oh yeah, did I show you? By the way, this is what they look like. And they are outer quarter lashes, or I think they're like 3/4 lashes, so they go to the outer corners of my eye and not all the way in to the inner corner. Then I want to apply highlighter, and I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather, and I'm applying it in this shade right here. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush on the big areas and a fluffy eyeshadow brush on the smaller areas, like the bridge of my nose and eyebrow bone. So if you actually do follow me and this is not your first video, you know that in this summer I went ahead and bought the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner Stick in the shade Emerald Cut. it was for this specific moment. So what I'm going to do with this eyeliner is use it as a lip liner and do my lips green. I will add a little bit more effect later on, but I do need to have a base. I do believe green lipstick is something that they used in black and white movies to make it look like their lips were red in black and white. And then we are not done because this looks not done to me. And to honor the makeup that we have up here, we are going in with the dark shade of green. And I'm taking the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I'm taking the green, the dark medium green that we used, and I have a small detail brush like so to just draw on the actual line of my lip around, and that's the only thing I want to do. Then the last thing that I will do is put on some setting spray, and I'm taking the Vitamin C Fixer by W that looks like so. And here you have it, a Grinch themed inspired makeup look, and I think it's absolutely fun. Would I wear this every day? No, I would not, but I think it's so cool, and the way I see myself in the viewfinder, I could definitely see how this will pop on black and white camera. But yeah, I think this is definitely fun. I would love this for a Christmas party, like even if it's at the office, because it's a Christmas party. Doing your makeup a little bit different depending on the office, obviously depending on the company, if they are more chill or something, or even just a Christmas party with friends. I would definitely do this and be a little bit extra. I would wear an outfit that complements it, so something that is either red or just go full on green if that's what I want to go for, or I can go with something that's like gold, could be cool with this. You can play around with a lot of things. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and a notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!